Hello everyone. I would like to share with you guys an opportunity or a business opportunity that's very easy to do. It's a profitable. It's easy to do. Anybody can do it. You just need a laptop. Even you can do it from your iPhone or your cell phone, whatever. And you don't need a tech experience or anything like that. It's very easy thing to do. All you have to do is share a link with your current, future, or audiences, in social media. And this is an affiliate marketing business. So what's affiliate marketing? So affiliate marketing is when anyone or a process of introducing a product or services to other people. And so what happens when you introduce products to other people? If they buy, you get commissions, and that's how you make your money. So that's what affiliate marketing basically is in a nutshell. So you taking a link, a unique link from a vendor or an affiliate network to and promote it to either pay ads or organics like social media, Facebook, TikTok, things like that. And when anyone makes a sale or buys that specific product from that unique link that you have, you make a commission. So that's that. So there are two types of network marketing. One is affiliate programs. And affiliate program is an individual company, just one company that has that you partner with, and they have an affiliate program. So you're able to sell. You sign up and you're able to sell their products. They'll give you a link when you sign up, and you share that link with your social media audiences, or you can pay someone to promote it. We're gonna talk about that later, but that's one type of affiliate program. The second type is affiliate networks. So affiliate networks is different from affiliate programs. Affiliate networks is a marketplace where vendors or these companies that we just talked about have their products or put their products in that specific marketplace, in that specific network, affiliate network. So what happens is it's basically the middleman or middle people that connects affiliate vendors to affiliate marketers like you and me. So you don't have to deal with product developments, strategies. You don't have to ship products, or you don't have to deal with facilities, storage, or things like that. All you have to do is share that link to your audiences, and when anyone buys it, so you have your commission. So basically, these people are certified with the government, and there's no scam and all that stuff. I mean, they have a lot of bullshit in the media, social media, but yes, I'm gonna share with you guys a legit ones, and we'll see where will that take us. So for example, you have affiliate program like Amazon. It's one of the biggest. Amazon is one of the biggest affiliate programs. They have affiliate partners. You can sign up and they'll give you a unique. That's one thing. Walmart, same thing. All these big guys, retailers, online retailers or whatever, if it's like JCPenney, Walmart, things like that, they have affiliate programs. You can sign up like that, and that's one type. You can go to Google and search a name or whatever. Like you can just search it. For example, let's say Capital One. You type Capital One affiliate program, then whatever company that you're interested, either it's if it's airlines, if it is hotels, whatever it is, you can just go there, they put their name in there, and at the end you put affiliate program, and it comes up if they have affiliate programs. So the second one, affiliate networks, they are big ones in the market already. So for example, I'm just gonna share with you a few of them. One of them is a ClickBank marketplace, which is one of the top leading affiliate market industry. And another one is Digistore. I'm gonna share with you guys on the left side or right side, whatever. But Digistore is another one. ShareASale is another one. ClickBank, I already said. and there's a lot more, but I'm gonna share those three with you guys. So what happens when you have your link? There are few strategies that you could go with to make money. So number one is organic traffic, or people that you can reach without paying. So basically that's what that is. So social media is the best place anybody can start. You don't have to have experience, but you do need a lot of patience and a lot of hard work, because if you don't have followers, and if you were not teaching or share any if you were not sharing anything or contents that are helping other people, it's going to be hard for you to make a sale. So you're gonna have to join a lot of programs. You're gonna have to join a lot of Facebook groups, a lot of forums, TikTok accounts, social base, and things like that. There's a lot of ways that you can promote, but one of the best thing that you could do is TikTok is the number one. I recommend that you guys should start a TikTok account, and if you can hire someone from Fiverr or Upwork or places like that, that will put you to a good start, because they know how to drive traffic and how to advertise, all those kind of things. You can hire someone from Fiverr, like $5, $10, $20, whatever. That's very cheap for one video, and share your link at the end of inside the video, and put also your bio, so you can have a lot of traffic. And so that's one way to do it. And Facebook, you comment other people, you provide value. You comment other people's post, and people will click on your links and all that stuff. What else you could do is you can open an Instagram. If you already don't have it, you can also open Pinterest, where you create pins. Pinterest is a place also like a search engine. Now it's kind of different thing, but it's a search engine just like YouTube, or a Google. And you create a pin when there's another whole tutorial that I'm gonna give, but you create a pin, and inside that pin you also share your link, and people will click that link and go to your a specific unique link. And if they buy something, a product, or services, whatever, you get your commission. So that's that. And the third thing that you could do is you could join social media marketplaces, I like to say, like a Craigslist or Medium, or newsletters, things like that advertise other people's they share other people's links without you paying any money. So you can provide value like that and also drive traffic. So that's something else you can do. And there's also fourth way that you can go, which is to pay ads strategies. Facebook ads, you can pay someone like Fiverr, Upwork, anything, or you can go to YouTube. These days, they have everything in YouTube. You could just Google something, or you could type something in YouTube search, and it comes up, and you can just watch tutorials of how to do Facebook marketing, and you can copy, or like you can model them or whatever. That's another way you can do it. What else you can do is Google Ads. It's also another a great resource. You can start like $10, $5 a day. There's no minimum, but the more money you put like daily is the more people that you can reach, the more clicks you make, and the more clicks you get, the more sales that you make. So that's that. And the other way that you can also drive traffic to your links will be shoutouts. If you can do shoutouts and solo ads and things like that, you can also do a lot of traffic. You can drive a lot of traffic that way. But that is the whole thing. I'm just gonna share with you guys a few important things that you should keep in mind. So the secret of choosing affiliate programs or affiliate product that you should promote, I think, my opinion, is 3 things. So number 1 is this product, one-time product that when someone buys it, you will get one-time commission, and that's it. Or is it lifetime commission, which means things like softwares, things like memberships, and things like that. When you promote those products, it is recurring. Like when you make when you bring someone, or they make a sale the first time, you get like let's say $80 for whatever that is, and the next month you get $80. The third month you get $80. So it's recurring. As long as that customer is with that specific program and they pay that money, you get commissions like every single time. You see what I'm saying? So that's one thing. So this is like stable. It's a stable income, and it's something that that can keep your income in a good place. So the second thing is model. I'm not saying copy, but model your competitors or the people that are the same market as you. You don't have to copy their. There's a tool. There are tools in the market that will allow you to see other people's advertisement, other people's landing pages, funnels, things like that, and you can just pick and get ideas from there, and exactly you will be in the same place as they are. And the third thing is passion versus money. So you have to choose. Affiliate marketing is not an easy thing where you just come and make sales like that quick. No, it doesn't work like that. It takes a lot of work, and it takes a lot of time. You might not see a sale like 3 to 6 months or 4 to 8 months, whatever. But if you're not passionate about something, it will be hard to push it that long without seeing any results, and you will quit while you're so near, because you put a lot of time and you built all this presence and or the brand in the social media, and you quit without making any sale. But that's one thing. But for me, I like to compare them by heart and head. So my heart is a passion, and my head is also the money. I'm thinking like the money. So I'll combine both of them and come up something that I'm passionate about, that I know I can push, but also pays me money. So that's another way that you could do. What else you can do is you should know anything that you're not expert to it, or anything that you did not put time and effort, it's always tough and hard, which means it's easy to quit. But you always should ask yourself, like, why you started in the first place if you're quitting? That's the thing. So give it a thought. If you think it's a good idea, you should start it. If you think it's not, it's something that you're afraid of, do a lot of research. And one thing I forgot to add is there are like when you post in social media, don't spam things, provide value, and also the way you provide value is share something that's that you learn new things, or when someone asks a question, give your honest opinion on the matter. And another thing is social media is especially network marketing, not affiliate, especially in affiliate marketing. If you don't use landing pages and funnels and email marketing, is really, like, you have to be honest, it's going to be really tough. So there are tools. Make sure that you use tools like to build those landing pages or funnels or things like that. So with that being said, I'll leave you to that, and I'll see you guys in the next video.